everyone. I am Ralph Jeannie Namilit from Group 1 of SED 103.1 and here at Pindugangan, Tipanoy. So we are going to tackle about weathering and soil erosion. So to answer the question, what is weathering? Weathering, according to National Geographic, is the breaking down or disintegration or dissolving of the rocks and minerals on the surface of the earth. It is physical weathering when there is disintegration of a rock into smaller fragments which each with the same properties as the original. It occurs mainly by temperature and pressure changes. It is chemical weathering when the internal structure of a mineral is altered by the addition or removal of elements. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the detachment and movement of soil particles from the point of origin through the action of wind or water. Sometimes this is sped up by poor management or other human impacts on land.
Good day everyone, I am Gray Laraga, one of your geologists. So to answer the next question, which is what causes weathering in the area assigned to you, in Pindugangan, one of the reasons why weathering occurs is because of human activities since there is a quarrying site in the area.
Next causes are time and changes in temperature. When the temperature is hot, it causes the rock to expand, and if it gets cold, it causes the rock to contract. As these rocks are being exposed to these changes in temperature over time, the rocks become vulnerable to weathering.
So here is an example of a rock that underwent through chemical weathering and physical weathering. So as you can see in here, the rock has a rusty appearance which is an evidence of chemical weathering. And the big crack in this rock is an evidence of a physical weathering. To proceed with our next question, which is how and why does soil erosion occur in Pindugangan, here is an evidence of soil erosion in the said place. So, what could have caused these bits of rocks to be transferred in this area? These bits of rocks were transferred in this area due to water or specifically during rainfalls. Rocks are being carried away by the water.
Ever nga makusog
Kano ta pero kanang sige sa akong ibalhan yan lang agi mo ka nang nakwari
tabunan ang kalsada kada ko mabikilang lang igit munang
3 out of 5 people that were interviewed had no idea about what weathering and erosion are. 2 of them knows that rocks can be broken down into smaller pieces but only through quarrying. Their idea of erosion is through landslide, heavy rainfalls, and flood. This processes occurs because of human activities such as quarrying and cutting down of trees. A resident also answered that if there is a growing tree in the said area, it could break the rocks. For them, weathering occurs through quarrying and erosion happens during floods and landslides. They consider these processes dangerous because during heavy rainfalls and landslides, the area will be affected. Heavy rocks could transport towards the lower part of the area in which many people are residing. For them, to control the effects of these natural occurrences, they must report the happenings in the area to their barangay officials. The officials must take actions and listen to what the residents are saying. Also, another way for controlling the effects is that the residents must stop cutting trees and start planting.